Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green. I'm out here at the allotment on a very wet day. The reason why I'm out here, my beautiful amazing people, that is my onions, which I'm going to show you in a sec. I need to get them out because what it is, we've been getting a lot of rain and I've had a lot of disasters this year with the foxes, and I do not want the Mother Nature to be destroying anything more for me, because once these onions are not out and cured, they will start to rot. So I need to get them out. They are pretty much ready to go. I need to get them out and cured so they can last a longer time without spoiling me. And obviously with onions, you need to keep them in a warm and a nice and dry area to preserve them and make them last longer. Let me show you what I have left to harvest, and I'm just going to quickly do it because it is a bit raining, so I won't be able to show everybody everything, but I will definitely show you the harvest at its full amount once I've harvested everything from the land. Let me just show you. Some great sizes there. There's a few that's there. There's a couple. This is one of the beds that the foxes really did a one on. I have been harvesting a few of them out already from here, just to bring them home and kind of like making sure that I can actually get something to eat. Some of them are really ready to go, like this one here. It's really dried down. It's definitely ready to go. And for anybody that wants to know, once your onion is broken its neck, to say the least, or is fallen down, it's pretty much ready to go. You can harvest them up. You could leave them so the bulb can get a little bit bigger, but even this one here, it hasn't bent its neck yet, but because we get in a lot of rain, I don't want it to start to rot at the bottom, because onions don't like a massive amount of rain once it's fallen over. It loves that heat. This is a bed that's really done well. I will probably say this is where I'm going to get my best onions are from. Look at the size of that one there. If the foxes didn't damage so much, I would have had a better harvest, but I take what I can get because nature has this funny way of teaching you some lessons, and this was a very hard lesson to learn. I promise anybody that's gardening, this is a very hard lesson. But this one here as well, this one really took a beating. There were so many onions in here, but as you can see, it's looking sparsely. But let Mr. Green Hands grab them out, and then I'm going to give you a hint of what I'll be putting in there later down the time, because I'm not leaving these bad boys empty. I'm going to get something in there, and there already is some stuff there, which I'll show you in a moment. So there you go, guys. This is really it. That's all I have right now. There are some amazing size wise. Some of them are quite beautiful, but then you have these tiny ones, but they're still fine. It doesn't matter what happens, but this could have been a lot more onions than... But I'm happy anyway. Regardless of what's happened with the foxes and the situations, I actually had a harvest. And that's the most important thing. I could have had double or triple this amount because I planted quite a lot. Foxes destroyed everything, learned my lesson, and I've now barricaded everything in. And it doesn't matter. So look at these guys. Some of them are very beautiful. Look at the size of this. Like absolutely beautiful onions. And they taste so strong. And the flavor is amazing because I didn't use any pesticides or anything while growing these onions, because they were all grown organically, or as organically as possible. It's beautiful. It's amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay them out and kill them in a very dry place. When the sun comes out, I'll put them in some boxes, and once they start to dry up a little bit more, I'll be trimming them down. I'm going to leave a little bit of the dirt on there so you can absorb some of the moisture and just kind of like just not allow the onions to develop any fungus. Where am I going with this? Look at that. That's just beautiful. I know it's not the greatest harvest, but I'll take everything that I can get regardless of what the situation is. And as I talk about situation, it is cracking down with some rain right now. But before we go, I wanted to show you exactly what I've already started, or in my little idea. I know I've taken out the onions, but it's to grow some extra things and get it ready. In the next 2 weeks, I hope to have them planted out where I got the onions from. And let me just show you quickly, hopefully before I get drenched. Let me just quickly fly over there and show you. Running in the rain with my Wellingtons on. Running in the rain, cloudy day. Oh, whoa. Look at that. I gotta come and fix this soon. Look at him hanging off there. I gotta get rid of it. I'll be back, don't you worry. But on this video, let me show you these. See, you always have to get things prepared for whenever something happens. So I have some bunch and lesbian onions at the back there, and I've been using my labels. These are some beetroot, some spinach. Got those going right now. They're gonna be, I think by the next couple of weeks, they're gonna be ready to go in. These are some other brassicas. You got some cabbages as well in there, some blue scotch at the back there, some more bunch and onions. In here you've got some more beetroot, and I've got, what's this one here, some cauliflower all year rounder. And in this one here I've got cabbage as well, a different variety of cabbage. So I'm growing a lot of different things, getting them ready. And I've got my Brussels already popping out the ground. I've got some Bruss red, some kohlrabi, and some kale as well, ready to go into the earth. Look at that. Now that's going to be crazy. And I can't remember what I put at the end there, but there's something there somehow. Your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Why am I repeating myself? I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. But it's a rainy and wet day, and I got a few things more to take care of before I head home. So let's get those done. And please, guys, don't forget to take care of the planet. I know you can say it. There's a beautiful pumpkin behind me. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Beautiful. But I'm going to take care of that mess that I just saw right now. That pesc is right there. Let's get rid of it. See you guys soon. Take care.